Okay.
So, we're saying the cashback is on. Let's pay star 165, start rehash, use the MoMo app, and stand a chance to win free instant cashback. You're going to stand a chance to win free
Di bawah kali City East dia akan kita botol anu calon MoMo ini epic mau total petrol station well mentioning kami pas pak mentioning ya
so yung chol tan mo tutumia piar ya ko mudwo kichimi
ya te yom tuan poi ate
ko ni nyinga
nya lo ni Daniel mo
okay
Poi ya dong.
waya
So lo pio kama piare ora. Lo pio kama piare.
Ila mare pio kama
piare.
Kama ke kama ya dia dia yom mata poi lo mata
ko pio ma ko me chile adi okay tikor ka chen dia duo
is to be able to launch our service and promotion through a promotion which is win when you pay with MoMo. Okay, so previously people knew the phrase as MoMo pay, but we thought it wise that they should be able to learn that you can actually win when you pay with MoMo. MoMo is in short for mobile money, and this is preferably MTN mobile money. So today in Lira City we are Total. They've given us an opportunity to engage with the customers that are walking through. Those that had come with cash, they were able to deposit and be able to have money on their phone, and of course use MoMo to be able to pay for their fuel, to shop at the supermarket. The good news is that from today onwards up to the 31st of December, which is about 12 weeks, this promo is running and is giving an opportunity to all our MTN customers to be able to win a cashback. This time round, we've been able to put in a cashback of 20,000 shillings worth of mobile money that will come to any customer that is able to pay for any goods or services from a supermarket, a pharmacy, a petrol station, even your market vendor that has our MoMo Pay service. You can be able to pay them using MoMo, and that way you'll stand a chance to be able to win a cashback of up to 20,000 Uganda shillings that automatically is credited on your account. So today we are doing this in Lira, but we are running this simultaneously across the country, and even our nearest neighbors in the other city, Arua, are also doing the same. So we look forward to engage with our customers. It's very cost effective when you're using MoMo, because that way you don't have to withdraw money that you had already deposited. In most of our facilities you're able to pay for free, but also it's enabling them to enjoy the benefits in terms of the cashback we are giving. And for today where we are in Lira City, there are t-shirts, there are capes, there are aprons, there are reflector jackets that they're able to utilize as part of our appreciation for the services they do with us. So the procedure is very simple. You can either use the code *165*3#. That is if you want to pay directly to the merchant code. But you also have an option. The customers are able to use their MoMo app. This is an application that's available for even those using iPhones, Androids. You simply download it from your app store, and it gives you additional features that you cannot be able to access on the *165 menu. Because on your MoMo app, you're able to access so many features, like drawing your own mobile money statement. You don't need to come to the service center for that. You can be able to draw up to a 60-day mobile money statement from your phone, send it to your email, extract it as an Excel from just working from your phone. So some of those are the features that we hope in these sessions we are able to encourage our customers to utilize. For those messages, I think we are grateful to be in Lira. And we are grateful to our customers as well that are participating and look forward to participate in this promotion.
How
Okay.
has the turn-up been so far?
We've been received very well. The turn-up has been very exciting. And of course, the concerns have been, why are we only at Total, why aren't we elsewhere? And we are here to only confirm that from today, we are actually proceeding to other locations as well to create excitement among our customers. We are going to the supermarkets, we are going to the bus parks, we are already in the pharmacies, all places customers actually visit and access our services. We have our merchants available in its premises, and we are supporting them and rewarding them as well.
Okay, people always talk about cashless transaction. Are we seeing the reality? And now you catering for those ones who are in the rural community.
The good news about it, the cashless economy is now a reality. It's 2024, and we are happy that most of our customers have quickly adopted to this service. So Pay with MoMo has been around for several years now, and of course we'll continue to improve it. And that is why on the MTN network, it is free for a customer to pay their merchant from where they've gotten goods and services for free. So we've encouraged the cashless economy, and it's available everywhere, because as much as we are Total today, we actually have merchants that exist in the rural areas wherever they operate and can access these services. So there's also a business opportunity for shop owners, business owners to come and sign up with us to become merchants. Because in there, there's also a very good value addition for them. They're able to safeguard their money, they're able to pay between their own suppliers for free, all because they are merchants with us. But in fact, for the rural settings where our customers actually are like airtime, when you're a merchant, you can actually sell airtime and MTN pays a commission. So the cashless economy is real, and we are continuously supporting it together with you, the media partners we have.
Okay, maybe in a very simple language, how are you going to encourage someone who needs just to buy something for 1 turn? Because most people think paying with MoMo just needs when you're paying something that is big from 10 turn, 20 turn and above.
So just for clarity also for our viewers and listeners that will be on, when you pay with MoMo, you're able to pay any value above 500 shillings. Okay, so it means even when you go to your market store or the first shop near your home and you want to buy tomatoes, and that is our registered merchant, with only 500 shillings for free from your mobile money account, their merchant code, you're able to make payment for those few tomatoes of 500 that you want off your account. So we've made sure that we encourage it, and it's free of charge and accessible to most of our merchants. And that way we hope our customers will quickly adapt to it and minimize the movement of cash. I think especially in this school fees window, we've seen the reports of fake counterfeit money that is going around. And yet with the cashless service, we are able to avoid all those scenarios that would cause losses to the citizens and our customers of this country. Yes.
Thank you.
T-shirt, yellow.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.